friends, this video is about practicing the pause, and it's inspired by, we were at a conference yesterday and there was this activity called the drum circles, right? So all the team members, they get drums and they learn how to play the drums together as a team. Interesting exercise. And I was reminded towards the end, seeing how the music was created, I was reminded towards the end of this activity, one of the quotes that Dr. Wayne Dyer used to share frequently, and he used to say, it's the silence between the notes that creates the music. And I could see it yesterday in front of my eyes. It was the silence between the beats of the drums that created that powerful music, that rhythm in the room in which everybody participated and they felt like one team together. It was the silence between the beat of the drums that created the rhythm. It is the silence between the notes which creates the music as well. So, hence the importance of a pause in our own life. It is the silence in the middle of all the busy stuff in your life that creates the music in your life too. It's the pauses in your life that creates music as well. So practice the pause. That's the message behind this video today, is learn to practice the pause, which means take out time to just maybe, even if it's a few hours, even if it's a few minutes a day, take out time to get off the treadmill and just be in the moment. That is becoming a very rare thing these days. We are super occupied with our gadgets, with social media feeds and so many other things, that we are constantly, our mind is constantly in this mode of being hyper alert. All we need is just even a few moments per day to pause and reflect. And I love pauses. Here's why. Pauses enable us to make better choices. Pauses enable us to make better choices. That's why I love pauses. That's why I love these little breaks. And it is through better choices that we are in a position to create a better life for ourselves. Through better choices, we can create a better life. Carl Jung, he said it beautifully. He said, you are not what has happened to you. You are who you choose to become. Right? It's a great affirmation as well. It's a great affirmation. I am not what has happened to me. I am who I choose to become. In fact, you can write this down. You can use this affirmation, and because we've all been through a lot of stuff. I know we've all been through a lot of very difficult situations in life, and great way to leave all that behind and start a brand new life is to repeat this affirmation to yourself. I am not what has happened to me. I am who I choose to become. I am not the product of my history. I'm a product of my imagination. I am a deliberate creator who chooses to leave the past wounds behind and create a new reality. I am not what has happened to me. I am who I choose to become. A pause allows you to make better choices. A pause allows you to detach from the past and create a brand new reality for yourself. And don't ever think that you are a victim or a prisoner of your past. See, whatever the life you're living right now, whatever circumstances you find yourself in, good or bad, pleasant or unpleasant, these are the outcome of your past choices. This is the outcome of your past point of attraction or whatever choices you made in the past. And the beauty is, by making new choices today, you can create a brand new reality for yourself. So I think I want to get this across very, very clearly. Who you are today, my friends, is the outcome of the choices you made in the past. And as a deliberate creator, you have the ability to make new choices today, which will create a new life for you in the time to come. So use this power. Don't give up this power. You're not a victim of your circumstances, right? We feel that we are in this prison, and I'm reminded of this beautiful quote by the Sufi philosopher Rumi. Rumi, who said, why do you sit in the prison when the door is so wide open? Move beyond the tangle of fear-based thinking. Why do you sit in prison when the door is so wide open? Move beyond the tangles of fear-based thinking. And I think that's a choice worth exercising, moving beyond the tangles of fear-based thinking, because the door to the future, my friends, is wide open. All you need is to remind yourself that you are a deliberate creator, and by making new choices this moment onwards, you can shape a brand new reality. Thanks for tuning in.